A sinking or leaning porch suggests a home that is not well maintained or that needs other repairs. And an uneven concrete surface can be a trip hazard and liability. Stay tuned to hear how to fix a sinking or leaning porch. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Many homeowners consider their porches and patios to be an extension of their living space. It's an outdoor room that encourages you to socialize, maybe grill some burgers, or just sit back and enjoy the day. In this video, I'll explain what causes porches to sink. Is slabjacking or helical piers the best fix? But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up. Let's get started. The main causes of a porch sinking are two different factors. Number one, the foundation is so shallow and didn't get built on good compacted soil. A lot of the times, if this is right up next to a basement, this is compacted soil that just was not able to get compacted enough to be structural soil. And the second biggest thing is water. Whether there's a downspout right there or the landscaping encourages water to stand next to that porch, that'll soften the soil and allow the porch to settle. Slabjacking can be the fix, and there's two circumstances in which it's the right solution. Number one is if your front porch or your porch is not built on a foundation, so it's not actually elevated out of the ground. It's more of a slab on grade. When you have a slab on grade, slabjacking is a great solution. Now, the other time is maybe that porch is elevated, but just that concrete at the top is sloping back towards the home. If that's the only problem, then slabjacking is the right solution for that as well. Helical piers come into play when it's an elevated porch, or it's a porch that has a foundation wall and a footing. If you just slabjack something that has a foundation or a footing, the slabjacking material will not solve the footing of that porch, and it'll continue to settle. So in that instance, you need to install helical piers to actually stabilize the foundation and then do slabjacking on the concrete capped part to be sure to fill any voids so that there's not a continual problem. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage acculevel.com and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your settling porch? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.